In the Zubtitle editor, you can easily upload your logo or a custom watermark to place on your video. Let me show you how. Over in the right-hand toolbar, we'll click on the Logos tab. And here you'll see all of our logos that we already have saved here, and we can also upload a brand new one. Let's click here to upload one from our folder. I think we'll select this one right here, the Zubtitle logo, and it will automatically place it right on the canvas. And from here, we can drag it around to a different position if we like to, and we can even resize it as much as we'd like to. I think we're going to go ahead and size it down to about right here and place it in the bottom right corner. And it's as simple as that. Now, adding a logo is not the only way to integrate your branding into your video. We also offer many other options for incorporating your brand's fonts and colors, and you can check out this video on screen to learn more about that. But if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below so you don't miss any more tips in the future. Until next time, keep creating.